Right, I discussed with the Madman, and he's going to let me do an additional move that I wanted to do. I don't have such in-depth pieces and boards like some other guys do, like Mr. Scrubbert and Moose Cow and G.I. Joe, where they plan all their moves and all their little arrows and stuff. So kind of just do it on the fly and see if I don't make any mistakes. So yeah, I just wanted to move my guy in Tobruk to Italian Libya and my guys in Tunisia to Italian Libya. And then with that in mind, I was going to do my disposition of units, because I had forgot to do that. So in Al Alamein, I just have 1 infantry. Italian Libya, 2 artillery, 1 infantry. Malta, 2 infantry. In 98, I have a sub. In Morocco, I have an infantry, a mech, and a tank. 2 infantry in Gibraltar. 2 cruisers, a battleship, and a transport in 92. A sub in 88. 2 destroyers and a transport in 95. 3 infantry, 2 AAA and 2 fighters in Rome. AAA in Northern Italy. AAA, 2 infantry, and a bomber in southern France. And then on the Eastern Front in Slovakia, I have 2 infantry, 2 artillery, and 2 tanks. So this is the end of Italians, turn 2.